Hi everyone, this is Ankur Chawla. Today we'll be making a mango shake with the addition of a little bit of rose syrup. We'll also be doing a cold coffee, but we'll be adding a little bit of chocolate syrup in the same to make it a cold coffee mocha. So I think we have a decent amount of people already on the board. Is it? Yeah, can we start? Sure. So here we are. We've used Amul milk and Amul products majorly to make the stuff, and I'll just take out the Amul ice cream as well. There you go. So, mango shake. We will take a few mangoes. We just cut and diced some really good mangoes, and mangoes are in the season. Nothing like really good mangoes these days.
Sound नहीं आ रही है. हमको sound नहीं आ
Am
रही.
I audible, guys?
There is a sound.
Just check in the comments.
Yes, I have checked it.
Checked it 1 second. Hi guys, can you hear me? Hello, hello. Yeah, everybody's there. Guys, give me a hi. Can you hear me? Is it better? Cool. Is it better? Sound is clear. Cool. I'll try to be a little more louder than earlier. Cool. Perfect. There you go. Yes. So in case guys you have any question, please feel free to pop up right in the middle. We'll keep it a very interactive session as well, and it is as basic as a good mango shake. So yes, as I said, we'll start with few mangoes. There you go. Try to add a little bit of rose syrup in the same. Most of these ingredients would be available at your house, should not be a problem at all. And then of course we'll add a few scoops of Amul ice cream. There you go. Tempting, right? And of course we'll take a little bit of milk to just top it up. Try to keep the quantity of the milk to almost 100 ml plus minus. Yeah, there you go. Always try to make your glass ready before you are about to pour. Specifically when it is a rose milk or a rose mango shake, we'll try to rim the glass, or we'll try to put a little bit of rose syrup inside the glass, so that when we pour the mango shake in there, it will look a little more cool or a little more beautiful. It just adds a little bit of vibrant colors in the side. Yeah, and there we go. Never forget to switch it on. There you go. Any questions?
What are you making?
There you go. Perfect. I think एक चीज आप लोगों ने भी notice की होगी. I've not added any sugar purely because we have a lot of rose syrup already in it, and I don't like my drinks to be very sweet. But it is absolutely fine to sort of add a little bit of sugar as well in case you like it that way. But yeah, there we go. Our thick mango and rose shake is ready. Perfect. There you go. Now with regards to garnish, there are a couple of ways that you can actually do it. You can use Amul's cream and make whipped cream to just sort of top it up as well. Or you can put just a heavy cube of, or a heavy scoop of ice cream on top, so that it looks yummy and a little more, lovely. Since it is a rose addition as well, a hint of rose syrup on top looks good as well. And what I've done over here, I've just taken a couple of almonds to sort of top it up. You can do it with mint. You can do it with, you can do it with mint. You can do it with anything else as well. Yes, you can. I just go to the questions. Yes, you can. Yes, you can use Rosa in the same. I am making a mango and Rosa shake. Please talk in Hindi. Okay, Bimal ji, मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगा अब आपसे. ये जूस नहीं है. Perfect. Yeah, so here it is a mango and rose shake along with a little bit of vanilla ice cream and a couple of almonds and stuff like that. But you can, as I said, अपनी creativity के हिसाब से you can play around as much as possible. I'll just keep it over here. And before that, I think I should take a sip. Pretty cool. Just perfect for the weather. Yeah. Okay. So you just keep all of that a little aside, and we'll come down to our cold coffee. So with regards to the cold coffee, I think cold coffee ना बड़ी common चीज़ है. बहुत सारे लोगों को पसंद तो बहुत है, but it is very easy to screw up the cold coffee as well. I think the basic that matters in a cold coffee is जो ingredients है cold coffee के, if you take that as right, then you can always have a very good cold coffee, and nothing like a good cold coffee as per me. What I've done over here is just as I said, ingredients आपके बहुत solid और बहुत अच्छे होने चाहिए, and you need to pick up really well. I am a fan of dark chocolates, so उसके लिए मैंने ये कुछ dark chocolates लिए हैं और उसको गर्म पानी के अंदर एक बोल में डाल के उसके अंदर एक और बोल में, जिसको डबल बॉइलिंग भी बोलते हैं, उसके अंदर I made this sauce, using this Belgian chocolate. Look at the sauce. Can you just focus a little bit on the sauce? There you go. और आजकल डलगोना तो वैसे ही बहुत पॉपुलर है. So this is the sauce that we have made with using the Belgian chocolates, but absolutely fine if you want to use, if you don't like bitter chocolates a lot, then you can use Cadbury chocolate, you can use any other brand which is more towards the lighter or the milkier side of chocolates. And in terms of coffee, I have made this coffee syrup. I made this about a couple of hours ago. There you go. I made this about a couple of hours ago using coffee ko. So this comes out really good. So I think, as I said, अगर आपके ingredients ठीक है, तो आपकी cold coffee बहुत अच्छी बन सकती है. And I'll just get some Amul ice cream again. One second. So I think what we'll do is we'll just quickly do the cold coffee, and while I will be sipping cold coffee, we can do a lot of question answers along with that as well. I know a few questions are coming already on the way. So for a good cold coffee, we'll just add a little bit of coffee syrup. जब भी आप कॉफी सिरप बनाते हैं, स्पेसिफिकली यूजिंग फ्रेशली ब्रूड कॉफी, कई बारी कॉफी का जो हेवीनेस होता है और जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो नीचे सेटल हो जाते हैं. तो इट इज ऑलवेज प्रेफर्ड and advised to sort of just give it a small stir before you start putting it or using it. So a little bit of coffee syrup. Depends completely. अगर आपको डार्क स्टाइल्स पसंद है कॉफी के, तो आप उस तरीके से भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Yeah. There you go. I usually keep it for a good coffee. I try to keep it 3 plus minus scoops of tablespoons of ice cream as a measure. There you go. And here you go. The best ingredient in the cold coffee. I just use pretty much a spoonful of this chocolate syrup, which has been made, in-house. You can also use choco chips. जो choco chips आते हैं Calibu या किसी भी ब्रांड के, वो भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. There you go. And of course, the hero ingredient, Amul milk. Again, about 100 ml plus minus is what I'm using right now. But you can probably increase it or decrease it depending on the kind of coffees that you prefer. There you go. Perfect. और इस बारी मैंने ये पहले ऑन कर दिया. Just so that my coffee is very chilled, like the way I always like it. I'll just add a couple of cubes of ice as well. There you go. I try not to use a lot of ice purely because ice से थोड़ा सा dilution हो जाता है और cold coffee थोड़ी सी गाढ़ी कम बनती है और I love गाढ़ी cold coffee. Perfect. Again, if you would have realized, I have not used or added any sugar in it. However, I have made a little bit of sugar syrup. It depends completely. अगर आपको लगता है कि थोड़ा सा और sweet चाहिए आपको, तो आप sugar syrup का भी use कर सकते हैं. But in case I don't like sugar, so I don't want to add a lot of sugar. There you go. Done. And as I said, again for the topping, I would prefer to do an ice cream scoop on top, but depending completely on I'll just get a little more ice cream. Depending completely on how do you like your coffee to be, or how do you like your garnish to be. You can play around by using whipped cream. You can play around by using a little bit of. There you go. Perfect. In terms of garnish on top of it, you can use anything. I can just put a bitter chocolate on top of it just to give it that perfect flavor or taste. I can use any other brand of milk chocolate to just keep it on top of it, and it looks beautiful. This is my favorite and my daughter's favorite, so I'm just using this. It's just a choco stick which you can put it on top, which looks lovely as well, and it's got a little bit of chocolate inside it already, so nothing like that, and a small piece of chocolate on top of it as well. And here you are with a beautiful cold coffee, and it looks lovely, isn't it? Yeah, good to go. Yes. Now you can shoot as many questions as you have. More than happy to answer all of them. One second. There you go. I think I should thank my cameraman before anything else. Yes, what's your name? My name is Ankur Chawla. Please repeat the ingredients at the end. Okay, sure, Kiran. The ingredients in the cold coffee or the coffee, the coffee matters a lot. Normally, what I try and what I try to do is that I try to take the beans and freshly, sort of give them a powder, make them or grind them in a powdered form. Depends how do you like the coffee. You can add, the dark coffee beans or the lighter style of coffee beans. Which coffee have you used for the syrup, Nescafe or ground tea coffee? One second, I think I have the packet as well, or the pouch as well. This is what I used in the coffee. I think you all can see it. This is 100% Arabica. It's got a little flavor of honey, almond and raisin as well. And it was a gift actually which came from a friend, and it was specially roasted for us. So a little fancy, but yeah, it was a good one. Yeah. Just so yummy, thank you very much. Yummy, thank you. Very nice, Ankur. Please send some mocha here. Done, Rohit. I will definitely send it to you. Rocket science. No rocket science at all, Sumit. What mocktail or cocktail can be done with mango juice? Mango juice. I would avoid using mango juice if you can use fresh mangoes. मेरे को हमेशा पसंद होता है कि हम fresh mangoes को use करें या जितना fresh ingredients use कर सकते हैं वो ही करें. So if you can use fresh mangoes, nothing like it. Otherwise, you can do n number of cocktails or mocktails with using mangoes in the same. Dr. Rocky Bhai, thank you very much. Any further questions? Any mocktail, cocktail recipes with mango? As I said, a lot of these things can be done with mango. In fact, off lately, I tried a mango mojito. That also can be done just using some mints and lemons on the base with a little bit of sugar syrup, and top it up either with Sprite or soda, whichever can work for you. You can do, you can actually do Amras, which is amazing. I love it whenever I go to Gujarat, where this Amul factory is, and I also visited them, a long time back. So you can actually make Amras. I think that's amazing. Rituji, please repeat the ingredients of the shake. one second. With regards to the mango shake, we've used mangoes, we've used Amul milk, a little bit of cream if you want to make it a little more thick, Amul ice cream, a little bit of rose syrup, which as I said, rosa can also be done. और ऊपर से हमने थोड़े से आमंड्स डाले हैं, आप उसके अंदर मिंट डाल सकते हैं, आप टॉप अप विद, यू कैन टॉप अप विद एनीथिंग फॉर दैट मैटर. या देयर यू गो. Seema ji, my name is Ankur Chawla. Amazing. How did I make the coffee syrup? So, okay, so what I did was, as I said, you can take the fresh coffee beans, you can grind it, make it a powder, and then just put it in the, just like tea, just put it in the water. हॉट वाटर में एटलीस्ट 3 to 5 minutes के लिए आप ब्रू कर लीजिए इसको, और उसके बाद उसको छान लीजिए. दैट कम्स आउट द बेस्ट, नथिंग लाइक दैट. एज आई सेड, अगर आप घर पे हैं और आपको नॉर्मली ये कॉफ़ी इतने अच्छे नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं, तो यू कैन ईजिली यूज यू नो द पाउचेस ऑफ द कॉफ़ी एज वेल. बट जो कॉफ़ी का फ्लेवर, जो कॉफ़ी के इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऐसे करके आते हैं, वो नॉर्मल उसमें नहीं आ पाते हैं. सो आई ट्राई टू यूज यू नो the grounded coffee because the flavor comes out really good. How can we store mangoes? ठंडा करके रखिए. Nothing like it. But what I did was just 15 minutes पहले I had cut all the mangoes and made it into small chunks and just kept it in the fridge. Otherwise, I think that's the best way. And this is the perfect season for mangoes. That's the reason we had a word and we finally ended up choosing mangoes. As I said, I love working with fresh ingredients. अगर seasonal में जो सबसे अच्छा आ रहा है, आप उसी को use कीजिए. I think that's the best. गुरजीत जी, आमरस की रेसिपी मैं आपको अभी WhatsApp कर, I mean, I just put it on the Facebook itself. Amras is not very difficult. I mean, it's a traditional recipe. I mean, it's not. Thank you, Vimal ji. Just joined. Quick repeat if possible, Suman ji. So quick repeat. We did a mango and a rose shake. Mango, a little bit of ice cream, 2 to 3 scoops or 2 to 3 spoons is what I usually take. A little bit of rose syrup and top it up again with the ice cream. You can actually use whipped cream as well on top of it, and we had done a little bit of garnishing of the glass using the rose syrup as well. So that is your mango and rose shake, but it can be done in whichever way, in whatever. I always love experimenting. तो आप जितना एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो आप करो without thinking twice. The reason I did rose syrup is because I love it myself. बचपन से हमारे घरों पे वो रोज़ा या रोज सिरप होता है, तो we thought why not try that, and I think it worked out really well. मतलब it has come out really well. With regards to the cold coffee, we've used cold ice mocha is what we have made. Mocha is nothing but just good quality chocolate. As I said, we used this Belgian chunks of chocolate. इसको हमने थोड़ा सा मेल्ट किया, डबल बॉयल करा with the hot water on the base, and we got this beautiful. One second, I'll just show you. We got this beautiful sauce. As you can see, it's really thick in consistency. This is the kind of chocolate sauce that we got, and using this chocolate sauce, you get amazing flavors of the cold coffee. And we rimmed the glass a little bit. I'll just show it to you with the chocolate on the side, and it worked out really well. And I'm gonna enjoy it. I hope that answered, Sumanji. Vimal, thank you. How to make apple shake? I think making shakes and smoothies is the easiest and the best, and that's what I love doing. You just throw some apples, and then, as I said, try to make and use 2 different flavors to kind of which go very well with each other. Like apple and cinnamon is something which is a killer flavor. It is a great marriage made in heaven. So अगर आप apple shake बना रहे हैं, उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा उसके अंदर आप cinnamon powder डाल दीजिए या थोड़ा सा top up कर दीजिए cinnamon powder के साथ, it comes out really well. Yeah. How to make mango shake? We just did mango shake. Mango shake worked out really well, and as I said, you can play around as much as you can. You can add a little bit of mint to give it little freshness as well. I've added a little bit of Roabza today, but you can add anything for that matter. Yeah. Done. I think I've done all. Nice recipe of mango shake. Yes, I think we've done a good job today by making 2 really good beverages, and hopefully soon we'll be making many more beverages. In case you have any questions or in case you have, yeah, thank you very much. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगा अभी. Sorry. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आज 2 आपके लिए बहुत खूबसूरत सी और टेस्टी सी ड्रिंक्स बना के. टेस्टी सी को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? What do you call tasty in Hindi? Tasty. What do you call tasty in Hindi? What do you call tasty in Hindi? स्वादिष्ट बना के मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि और भी हम ऐसी ड्रिंक्स बनाएं तो जस्ट राइट इट ऑन द कमेंट्स इटसेल्फ. एंड yeah, you can follow me on social media. I keep on doing a lot of stuff with alcohol and non-alcohol both. Instagram Ankur Chawla with double A at the end, and Facebook पे Ankur Chawla. You can find me. दाढ़ी नहीं है मेरी normally quarantine look. So you can find it easily online. In case you want more recipes, or in case you want we to make many more shakes like apple, chiku, so on and so forth, और local चीजें जो आपके normally घर पे होती हैं उनको use करके आप बस इसमें लिख दीजिए, या you can put in a request and we can sort of make a lot of stuff for using that as well. Yeah. Any other questions? Please guys throw it. Otherwise we are good to go, and I can't wait to have my cold coffee. Swadisht, yes, Swadisht, I got it. I didn't get it, my wife got it. Cool. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for being online. Thank you, Vimalji. Thanks for your blessings. Yeah. See you guys very, very soon again in another episode of either Amul or something else. See you. Cheers. Thanks a lot. Bye.